Have you noticed the circles on a football pitch? Today we explore concentric circles and how to find the area between them. Concentric circles are circles with the same center. The shaded region between them is called a ring or annulus. To find ring area, subtract the small circle's area from the big circle's area. We can factor out pi. Notice this is difference of two squares. We can factor further to get pi times r plus r times r minus r. Example 1. The outer radius is 10 centimeters. Inner radius is 6 centimeters. Find the area of the ring. Ten squared is 100, 6 squared is 36. 100 minus 36 equals 64. Multiply by pi to get 201.1 square centimeters. Example 2. Outer diameter is 28 centimeters. Inner diameter is 14. Remember, radius equals diameter divided by 2. Common mistake. Students forget to halve the diameter first. Always convert diameter to radius before using the formula. Remember, ring area equals big circle minus small circle. Use the factored form to make calculations easier in exams. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more Form 4 mathematics lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com to practice more questions.